Question 2 of this exercise is a very interesting question. Here's what it says. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So for any parallelogram, if the diagonals of that parallelogram are equal, then that parallelogram must be a rectangle. This is what we have to show. Now first I will help you build a visual understanding of this by showing you a GeoGebra simulation, and then we will go on and write a proper proof for this fact. Okay, so let's go to the simulation. So here's a simulation which shows a parallelogram ABCD, and right now you can see that the diagonal lengths AC and BD are not equal. So AC has a length of 12.4 and BD has a length of 17.9, and they are not equal. And you can see that the parallelogram is not a rectangle. But let me move one of the vertices and try to make the diagonal lengths equal. So let me move the vertex A, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get AC to become equal to BD. So AC, when I take it roughly close to BD at 17.9, you can see that now the parallelogram has become close to a rectangle. So this is the idea that we have to prove, that whenever AC and BD, the diagonals are unequal, the parallelogram will not be a rectangle. But if they are equal, so once again let me try and make them equal. So you can see now that at about 13.4, both AC and BD have the same length in this configuration, roughly the same length. So you can see that ABCD looks to be a rectangle. So this is the idea that we have to prove in this problem. So let's do that now. Okay, so here's a figure I've drawn for you for this situation. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AC and BD, the diagonals, are given to be equal, and we have to show using this that ABCD must be a rectangle. So I have drawn it to look like a rectangle, but that is what we have to prove rigorously. Okay, so the idea we're going to use is we are going to compare two triangles. I'm going to highlight them for you. So we are going to compare triangle A, B, C, this triangle, with triangle D, C, B, this triangle. And we are going to show that these two triangles are congruent. And if they are congruent, then the angle at B, which is this angle, angle ABC, and the angle at C, which is angle DCB, these two must be equal. But they are also a pair of co-interior angles, and that will mean that both of them are 90 degree, proving that ABCD is a rectangle. So this is the reasoning that we're going to use in this problem. So we are going to compare triangle ABC and triangle DCB, and we're going to try and prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so in ABC, AB is equal to DC from DCB, because AB and DC are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So let's write this reason: opposite sides of a parallelogram. Also BC, this side, is common to both the triangles, so we can say BC is equal to BC, common. And also the diagonals are equal, so the third side of each triangle is equal. AC from triangle ABC is equal to DB from triangle DCB. So AC is equal to DB, and this fact is given to us. And this means that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB. Observe the order of the vertices carefully: ABC and DCB. And using what congruence criteria? Well, three pairs of sides are correspondingly equal, so we will apply the SSS congruence criterion, and using this criterion the two triangles are congruent. And this means, as we discussed earlier, that angle ABC is equal to angle DCB using the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now we also have angle ABC plus angle DCB equal to 180 degree, because this is a pair of co-interior angles, right? So co-interior angles, So this angle ABC and this angle DCB are a pair of co-interior angles. So their sum is 180 and they are equal also. And from here we can conclude that this is possible if ABC and DCB are both equal to 90 degrees. So we have proven that the angle at vertex B is 90, the angle at vertex C is 90, and because ABCD is a parallelogram, the remaining two angles will also be 90. So the angle at A and the angle at D will also be 90, and this proves that ABCD is a rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle is what we can conclude now. And with this, the proof to question 2 is done.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.